on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. The sun is just coming up, so it's kind of dark out here. But I wanted to say something, man. When you're building your dreams and you're trying to achieve your purpose in life, it's going to be people that you know, that you love, who are going to try to keep you from getting there. And I don't know if it's just on purpose or they just have a lack of faith and they're conditioned to believe that, you being black, you can only do so much, versus you thinking outside of the box and saying, you know what, I don't want someone to feed me. I want to feed myself. That way, if anything happens, I'm knowing I always have a meal. But if I'm depending on someone else, the man, to feed me, I can't get mad when he decides to close the network or shut something down or fire me or put somebody else in a position or have me train someone who isn't experienced for the job to do the job over me and I'm making way less money. Now, you can't tell me you haven't did something like that. A lot of us have done that in the field, in the office. All I'm saying is, once you've been on the job for 10 years, and I'm going to say just 10 years, just to give it a good, strong backbone. 10 years. You've been doing anything for 10 years, you got it. You can start your own business. I don't know what area you want to start it in, but after 10 years of experience, solid experience, you don't have to kiss nobody's ass no more. Learn the system. Take your time, cut the TV off, or change the channel to something that can benefit you. Teach you how to be stable. Because I can't lie to you. I was completely deceived. And now I look at it like, damn, all the time I wasted. But did I really waste it? I was steady learning. And now that I know what I know now, I can use this and I can take off with it. And I think that's what it's about, man. Once you wake up, it's about you. Once you wake up and you say, you know what, I can do this. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do this. You can do it. It's going to be some trials. It's going to be some obstacles. It's going to be some people in the front hating on you, calling your names, throwing stones at you, But they even did that to Christ. So, no matter who you are in this life, somebody is going to talk about you. Somebody's going to try to push your button. Somebody's going to try to step on you. So you just have to know who you are and know how to address that situation when it comes and keep living life. Because I realize now more and more every day that it's not about the things you have, but it's about the stability that you have. We can have a lot of things in our lives and not be stable. But if we have enough money and enough of the right things to be stable, we can start enjoying life. I don't care what so-and-so think about me. I can pop up and leave and go to Florida if I want to tomorrow. You see what I'm saying? I don't care what someone said, man, you should wear so-and-so all the time. And, man, you always wearing work stuff. I'm always grinding. I mean, when it's time to play, I play. I know how to play. Hey, I learned how to do that first. You know what I'm saying? I was playing before I was working. You know what I'm saying? So I'm professional at that too. So, but now that I think about it, man, us out here networking, building our dreams, trying to overcome these obstacles and network and build a career for ourselves. Don't get discouraged when someone don't allow that door to open. Sometimes you have to find your own route. Hold on.